Hello, my name is Guo Mengwei. In this video, I'm gonna go through the prototype of game I mentioned in the application for the game designer program in Futuregames. Let's go. So when you start playing this game, you have the perspective of an alien standing on planet Earth, and you can see many dreams floating in the air. As I mentioned in the material, basically you have two actions. The first one is catch dream, and the second one is giving dream. If you want to catch these dreams, you need to hit W key on the keyboard and enter the mode of catching dream. If you want to catch it, focus on the dream and hit W again. You will put catch dream and put it in the bottoms at this corner. Let me catch another two, and this one and this one. Okay, we've got dreams count. What you can do is give dreams to the houses on this planet. So if you want to give dreams, you just hit Q key, enter the mode of giving dreams, and find a house, hit Q again. The dream will be given to that house directly, and the color of light will be similar of the color of the dream. Let me give another two dreams. Give dreams and give dreams. Okay, let me do another round. And the mode of catch dream, W, catch dream, and catch dream. Switch mode, hit Q. Giving dream, give dream. Okay, that's everything I got. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.